Hey guys, it's Nicole Brende at Martha Turner, Sotheby's International Realty, and this is my tip of the day for people who are selling their home, specifically when they're hosting open houses. Make sure your realtor, quote, sets the mood. That's right. And when you think about it, when you're out looking at houses, when you walk around, don't you want to feel good? So utilize your home's best assets. What are your assets? Maybe you have really good lighting. Make sure all your lights are on. Make sure you have your TVs playing HGTV or some type of a home hunters show. People love that kind of thing. Also, if you have surround sound, make sure you have some nice music going. Or if you don't have surround sound, maybe you have one of those Amazon Alexas. So you can be like, hey Alexa, play some jazz music. That's kind of nice when you're touring a property. If you have a fountain, make sure your fountains are on. Your pool, make sure your pool is sparkling and ready for someone to dive on in. When you talk about landscaping, have some pretty flowers out front. Make sure you've got that curb appeal. You definitely want to set the stage and carry it through all the way to the backyard. Those are just my little starter kit tips. But again, it's all about setting the mood and utilizing your home's greatest assets. You already have it, so let's show it off and let's have fun in the process. Take care.